My father was like a carpenter, so I grown watching him doing all the woodworks, and I pretty much spent all my childhood around wood making, all those stuff. So I kind of had interest on carpentry, so I just want to give a try, and this program really helped me to get in. I'm from India. People from India, especially women, they never work in the trades. So initially, when I thought about getting into trade, I kind of had some hesitation because I'm not sure. I'm completely new to this country, so I don't know how it works, how the workplace gonna be. So I kind of had, I would say, like a scare of getting into new job that is like, it's not mean for women's, mostly they say trades. I don't say like we can, not everybody do that, but still, like, when people say trade, they think about men, not all women. Like, my English, it's not that good, according to me at least. I'm not sure about others. So every time when I speak, I hesitate in the initially, maybe like, how they will treat me, what they think about me, all those stuffs. But this program, it's completely different for me. The instructor, like instructor, everybody, they treated very equally. They never, treated like, you can't do something because you're a woman. The support they gave me, it gave me a confidence to get into trade. Now I have a job. I'm working in trade now, actually. So they gave a really good support, and program coordinator, he's like all the time, whenever we need some help, he always be there, and he keep come and ask like, everything is okay. He made sure like we are comfortable and we are getting whatever we need for this program. And then our manager, she is like best for me, at least, actually. So she ask everything and make sure like we are getting all the stuffs we needed, and including food and whatever expense we are having for the program to attend. They took care of everything, this team. So I guess it's the best thing happened in this COVID for me. Back home, we never have this kind of concept. Okay, we pay for everything. There is no one that call us, okay, you come, I will teach you and I pay you. No, it never happened in India. It's helped me to build my confidence when I go outside and work, because I already know how to use safely, so I don't need to worry about going to some place and standing without knowing that what that machine is, or how I'm going to use, what is the purpose. So almost now, whatever we are using right now in workplace, they already taught me in this program. People were helping a lot once we, not even before, like after finishing, like, so student service advisor, she was keep calling us, helping us, like, to whom to contact and all those stuffs. So because of this kind of helps we were getting even before we finished the courses, like, we got good contacts before we complete this course, and by the time we finish, like, we know some people who going to take care of our job things. So it's kind of they made it very easy for us to find a job after completing this course. So right now I just enrolled in College of Carpenters, and it's apprentice, actually. So it's going to be 4 years. So what I'm right now planning is, like, after finishing that 4 years, I just want to write exam for the Red Seal and see, like, whether I can get my license. And maybe in future, if everything works really good, maybe I can open my own company or something. It's not like going to be very easy, I know, but for sure, I guess I will reach that.